Today you will need the maths tools, base 10 blocks, and a place value chart with tens and ones. Get those tools now if you don't have them already. Let's look at today's problem. Some children were out in the garden looking at plants. They saw green plants and red plants. The children saw 23 red plants and 15 green plants. How many plants did they see in total? What does this word total mean as a mathematician? Pause the video and talk about it. Okay, what did you say? Total means all together. You might have also used the word add to say 23 and 15 added together. Well, let's think of this in a part whole. I know that I have a lot of plants in total. I could even say T for total. And I know that there were some red plants and there were some green plants. What numbers should we put in each circle? If you're thinking 23 in the red part and 15 in the green part, if we put those together, we will find the total. So let's take out our base 10 blocks and let's build this problem. We want to see how we can find the total. So pause the video and use your base 10 blocks to build this problem to find the total. Okay, let's see how you did. Well, I know that there were red 23 plants and green plants was 15 plants. So I have that. Now I want to put it all together. I want to compose or put together the total. So I'm going to put my tens together and my ones together. I'm going to organize my ones so that they're really easy to see the answer. It's really efficient. I can count this really fast and easy. I can see that there's 10, 20, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8. 30 and 8 is 38 in total. Well, I want to think about this problem now on a place value chart. Take out your tens and ones place value chart and let's think about how you would show 23 on a place value chart. Where does it go? Pause the video and put your 23 on the place value chart and your 15 on the place value chart. What would that look like? Give it a go. Well, I know I had 23 red and I had, I'm going to run out of space a little bit, 15 green. And when I put them together, I can see that I had 3 tens and 2, 4, 6, 8 ones. 3 tens and 8 ones is 38. So let's think of some ways we can write this and draw this. First, we built it. Now let's draw it. I drew one model as a part whole, but I want to think, how could we draw the base 10 blocks to show this, what we did? What's a really fast and easy way to draw these that I don't have to draw every little box? I want you to pause the video and think about and talk about how we could draw the tens and the ones so fast and easy and efficiently. Okay, let's talk about it. I know that a 10 is long. We can even call it a long. And a 1 is a cube or just one little dot. So to be really efficient, I'm just going to draw my 2 10s for 20 and 3 dots for 3. 23 is the red. And how would I draw the green? Well, I had 1 long is 10 and 5 is 15. That's a really efficient and fast way. I do not want to draw all the little lines. It takes so long. This is not a math model. This is a math model because it is efficient. It is fast and easy. So we will not draw all the little squares. Now, how can I show how much it is all together? Well, I'm thinking I have 3 10s and I have 8 1s, and I can see that there. I can see there's 10, 20, 30, and 8. So I've drawn my model. How can we now write this with numbers and symbols? Well, I know that there was 23 red plants and 15 green plants, and all together in total there was 38 plants. What symbols need to go here? Well, we have 23 and 15 is the same as 38. Let's try another one. This time, the children saw 32 red plants and 20 green plants. How many plants in total? Go ahead and think about what would we write in our part whole, and how can we build this problem with our base 10 blocks? You can also use your place value chart if you would like to. Go ahead and pause the video now and solve this problem by building with base 10 blocks. Did you get out 32 for the red plants and 2 10s or 20 for the green plants? I can see that I have 32 red and 20 green. When I put them together, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2. I got 52. Is that what you got? How can we write this? I know I had 32 red plants and 20 green plants, and then there were 52 altogether. So 32 and 20 is the same as 52. Have you drawn this in a model yet? What's a fast, efficient way to draw it? I can even draw the place value chart. So I can show that I have 10s and 1s. T for 10s, O is what starts with 1s. And I want to draw it really efficiently. If you haven't drawn it yet, go ahead and pause the video and draw your 10s and 1s for this problem. Okay, I had 32 1s, and I had 2 10s for the green and no 1s. Altogether, I can see that that is 5 10s and 2 1s, 52. This is another way to draw what I did.